In the previous video, we saw how to split strings using left, right, and mid. These functions work very well as long as the data follows a set pattern. But not all data is that clean and simple. In this video, we will look at solving more complex problems by combining functions and learning how to use the find function. In the previous video, we used the mid function in order to extract the wing information. But there is a complication. The mid function requires 3 arguments: the text, the start number, and the number of characters. We successfully supplied the first 2 arguments. Cell K4 holds the text from which we want to extract something. We counted that the text we want to extract started in position 4, and then we specified that our text is 4 characters long. But this is where the formula broke down. Not all of the words in column K are 4 characters long. Some are 5. We are now going to work with the helper function find to help define this number better. We will have to find a pattern in the data. One that is noticeable is that there is always a space after the wing. If we can find where the space is in the text, then our problem is solved. And that's exactly what the find function will do. Let's see how it works. We will need some workspace for this. Click in cell O4, type equals fin tab, and observe the prompts. First, we need the text we want to find. So type quotation mark space quotation mark, because Excel recognizes a space as a text character, which must go in quotation marks. Comma to specify the next argument. Within what text? Click on cell K4. The last argument is optional, indicated by the square brackets. It allows us to specify a start point. We'll leave this for now, close brackets, and enter. The answer has come back as 8, which means that the space is the 8th character. If the word is longer than this, the space might appear as the 9th character. While that's a good start, actually the wing is not 8 or 9 characters long. It is that number minus 1 for the space itself, minus 2 characters for the floor number, and minus 1 for the dash, which is minus 4 all up. So let's make a slight adjustment to our calculation. Double-click on cell O4 and move the cursor to the end and type minus 4. The minus 4 goes outside the brackets because we want Excel to perform the find function first. Enter, and double-click on the fill handle in cell O4 to perform that for all employees. Just one thing left to do, and that is to replace the 4 that caused us the problem in column N. Double-click cell O4 and copy all of the formula except for the equal sign using Ctrl+C. Now press Escape because we don't want to do anything else to that cell. Now double-click on cell N4 to get the formula. And highlight the last 4, which is the number of characters, and we want to replace that with the formula that we just copied across from cell O4. So Ctrl+V to replace that 4, and now enter. Double-click on the fill handle in cell N4. And now we have the wing for all employees. Notice that North has now correctly been extracted. I'm now going to delete my workings in column O because I no longer need it. This lesson was a bit more challenging, but you have now seen how you can enhance the power of functions by combining them. And you know about the find function should you ever need it.